We are today issuing title deeds to more than 1,000 squatters who have been landless and homeless for a decade. I began this process 3 years ago when I joined office, and I am a very happy governor today that this is a great milestone in the county government of Kericho, that today we are giving out title deeds to our squatters. The expansion of this town, the essence is not just title deeds, but also a new town of Kericho, which will see Kericho to be a city. Once this exercise is done, the Ministry of Housing have already advertised 5,000 affordable houses which will be constructed here in Chelimo.
Kuna pahali hospitali itajengwa, kuna pahali mashule itajengwa, kuna pahali barabara inapitia. Na mliona hiyo plan, si plan ilitengenezwa na county government, ndio? Kuna pahali barabara itapitia, shule itajengwa, hospitali itajengwa, stadium itajengwa, affordable housing hata imetangazwa, inafaa ikuje ianze. Na hizo manyumba si watu wengine, hizo manyumba ni zenu.